Hey, good morning, guys. What's happening, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to Rules for Rebels. You'll have to excuse my voice. I think coming back from the 85 or 95 degree heat in Aruba to snow here in Chicago got me sick, so excuse my voice there. But I just wanted to make a quick video showing off a really cool new YouTube feature that is in beta testing right now. And I was actually waiting to get this tool. This is a tool that is available to YouTube channels with subscriber bases of 100,000 or more, and a lot of like the big like record companies, TV studios, movie studios, they have this feature. It is available to people who hit 100,000 or more, but I believe it's going to start being rolled out to everybody if this beta test goes well. Now, what this is, it's the YouTube copyright match tool. Now, I was kind of surprised to see this email because I was waiting for 100,000 subscribers to get this. Essentially what it is, you create and upload your videos. They'll let you know when they find copies of your videos. You can then review that, and you can decide either to take no action. You can reach out to the creator and ask them for credit or something like that. Hey, put a link to my video or my channel in your video. Or you can take it down entirely. Now, let me show you guys something. I think this tool isn't perfect. Like I said, it is still in beta testing, but one frustrating thing to YouTubers is people take your, if you have a video that does well, people will take your video, they'll re-upload it and either try to make money off the YouTube ads, or they'll put your video up and then put their own affiliate links and stuff in there. So here's a video of mine that's got 1.9 million views. It's one of the first videos I ever made, how I do 250,000 a month selling Alibaba and AliExpress products on eBay and Amazon. This one right here is just in a playlist, but this guy Sergey, as you can see, he re-uploaded my video and is putting some link to his ClickBank products in there. We have another guy, Make Money Online, who stole my video, uploaded it. I used to go on YouTube and kind of police this, and it's easy to find the people who are using my exact title, right? Like I just search my title and these things pop up and I can do takedowns, but it is kind of a lot of work. You got to go to the video, click report, put the link to my video, put the link to their video. Here's another guy using my video. That's Cody Hawk, trying to piggyback off my title there. Actually, no, somebody stole Cody Hawk's video but used my title. I'm sorry. Let's see. Here's another person using my video. Again, they're all trying to throw in some affiliate link or CPA offer. This is actually a Fiverr guy that I hired to kind of do a little spoof of my video. But anyhow, the tool isn't perfect. It hasn't picked up all of these. But kind of how it's going to work is I just cleared my dashboard this morning. I had like 6 or 8 of these. But any content match that shows up is going to show up here. I can then watch the video and I can decide what action I want to take. Now again, I can just reach out to the creator and say, hey, look, man, you're using my video. Just give me a link to my video or my channel and we're cool. Or I can take it down, or I can just archive it and do it later. But removal requests, messages between me and other creators, and then what's been archived. I'm not sure why nothing's showing up. I think those are still pending right now. But again, this is part of kind of the copyright match tool. And what's really neat about this is no longer do I or any other creator have to go around like policing YouTube trying to find people re-uploading our video. This tool, obviously due to some algorithm or whatever, automatically finds this stuff and matches it. I remember years ago, it's really amazing how this stuff works. I remember years ago I was on vacation in Mexico, and I remember Simpsons was on the TV in Spanish. And I just thought it was kind of funny hearing like Bart Simpson talk in Spanish. So I took like maybe a 15-second video, uploaded it to YouTube, and like literally within a day or two, 21st Century Fox has issued a copyright strike against you, and I highly doubt that they manually stumbled on a video. They have, whatever this tool or algorithm that finds similar files or similar content, and then obviously they go ahead and take it down. But if you're eligible for the tool, you'll see it in the copyright section in your left navigation of your YouTube studio. Any of you guys who are on YouTube or have YouTube channels, they're in the process of rolling us out onto like the old backend dashboard to the new studio. I always am hesitant to get on new things, so I was going to wait until they forced me over on it. But you can only access this through the new YouTube studio. Under the copyright section, you can monitor the matches, several actions you can take, and I think they reference in here, let's see. Okay. How can I get access to the copyright match tool? For now, we're releasing this tool as part of a small pilot. Over time, we plan to expand the feature to more channels. So it does look like if this goes well, it will be rolling out to everybody. But You know, I know when I got back from Ecom Chicago, I had we'd been kind of talking a lot about starting YouTube channels. A lot of people I met there had an interest in starting YouTube channels, and as I kind of made some of those videos, a lot of you guys had kind of said that you'd been thinking about starting YouTube channels as well. So for any of you guys who are going to be starting YouTube channels or already have them, this is an awesome tool to kind of protect your content. So keep an eye out for this. I imagine probably in the coming months it'll be rolling out to more channels. But it seems like an awesome tool and seems like something that'll save a lot of time and save us from having to waste a lot of time, kind of policing YouTube trying to find, people re-uploading our videos. So that's all I've got for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, click that subscribe button down below, and I will catch you on the next video.